Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a VW Tiguan radio. Start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent short circuits. Work calmly and use plastic pry tools to protect trim, then remove panels and fasteners in sequence. Keep screws grouped and take photos of connections for reference. I'll walk you through unfastening, pulling the unit, and safely disconnecting harnesses so you can complete the job with confidence and ease. Gather your tools and prep the workspace so the job goes smoothly and safely. Lay out pry tools, T20 and T25 drivers, a flashlight, and a soft cloth to protect surfaces. Keep a small parts container nearby and take photos of connector positions for later reference. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and set the car in park with the parking brake engaged. I'll help you stay organized and calm through each step. Please subscribe and like if this video is helping you, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers make organizing screws, bolts, and small parts much easier and cleaner during a radio removal. They nest well in your work area and wipe clean easily, so small hardware won't get lost between seats. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a set. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. Once trim is removed, locate and remove the radio mounting screws while supporting the unit to prevent drops. Gently pull the radio forward just enough to access the back, then depress release tabs to unplug the antenna and electrical harnesses. Label connectors and place screws in your parts container to avoid loss. Inspect the cavity for insulation or brackets and clean dust before reinstalling or fitting an aftermarket unit for a tidy finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.